Let's have some fun in the kitchen today. We're making mini pepper race cars. This is a fun and easy after-school snack to prepare with your kids or bring to any party. A colorful, simple, and healthy snack that everyone is sure to love. Let me show you how. You'll need a half cup of prepared hummus, 6 mini sweet peppers, 3 mini cucumbers, black olive slices, 12 grape tomatoes, and 24 toothpicks. First, trim the tops off your peppers, cut them in half lengthwise, and scoop out the seeds. But don't worry, they're not spicy, so if you leave some of those seeds in, you'll be just fine. Next, cut your mini cucumbers into 1/4-inch slices and set those aside. Next, take your hummus and spoon into a plastic bag. Twist and then cut the corner off. You're ready to fill up those peppers. Just be sure not to fill them too full. Now it's time to attach our cucumber wheels. Place 1 cucumber on the toothpick, then carefully thread through the pepper and place another cucumber on the other side. Do that one more time and you'll see your race car beginning to come together. Here's our last step. Add your driver and steering wheel. Place your tomato at the end of the pepper and then add the olive right in front. See, we're never too old to have a little fun with our food. Hope you all enjoy.